What's vegetable you need next, honey?
I'm finding potatoes.
All of these are very nice.
How about this one, sister?
That's kind of sweet taste.
All right, I buy all of these. How many kilos, sister?
This is 4 kilos.
Here's the money, sister.
Thank you.
Heavy, honey?
No, I can lift it. Don't worry, honey.
You forget these potatoes.
Oh really? Give these to me.
Look, honey, what do we have here after shopping this morning?
We are going to cook a very tasty food this evening, honey.
Un kilo?
One chicken is 13,000.
He told me that today his selling is no good, but I am waiting here for a long time.
Me too, uncle.
Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Please give me one plastic bag. Sister?
That's 2 kilos, sister.
I need 1 more kilo. All right, I buy all of these eggplants.
So totally is 32 for 4 kilos.
How many kilograms for the yard-long bean?
It's 1.3 kilogram. Totally is 95.
The yard-long bean is 5,000?
Together with the eggplants is 5,000, 1.3 kilo.
Oh, I see. Here is the money.
Thank you.
It is 4,000.
I need galangals and orange leaves. Give me 2,000. Can I get a plastic bag?
Up there, sister.
This is 15. How about this?
3,000.
The same price, okay? Sister?
No, that can't be the same, sister.
These Japanese potatoes are similar to Cambodian.
Is it red inside?
Oh, yes it is.
How about banana cake? Where can be found? I mean tiny banana cake.
Oh, right over there, sister. That's corner. You see?
Thank you, sister.
There are a lot of cakes over there. Do you need Japanese potatoes?
Sure, I do.
That tastes good. Let me calculate. Totally is 11,000. Oh, sorry. 16,500. I'm confused.
What about this?
It's 80. 80,000 14,500. And this 90.